Hey guys, and welcome back to Tennessee Grillin and Smokin. I'm Dustin, and it's time again for the TikTok trend of the week, and I've actually got two great ones I'm really excited to try this week. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the first one comes out of a request I got on my channel. They said I have to try the ranch pickles. So I got on there, I looked up the trend, and yeah, it looks pretty easy. For this, refrigerated overnight, supposedly it's really good. I don't know, I want to let you know. So we're going to do that one, and then over here we're going to do the smoked Cheezits. This is the one I'm really excited about. Now I've smoked Cheezits before, just with some regular barbecue sauce or barbecue rub, but this time it said go for the ranch, go for the dill, and put some barbecue rub on there with the white cheddar Cheezits. So this is what we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one. All right, easy enough. I'm gonna go ahead and take this ranch out. I wonder if I need to drain some of that juice out. I shouldn't, should I? They don't. All right, we're just gonna dump this ranch down in the pickle jar. That's all of it. All right. So put the lid on. Let's just get her shook up real good. And these are going to go in the refrigerator, and it's going to stay there overnight, and I will get back to you in the morning, and we're going to try these out. I don't know about it. Could be good. I don't think it's going to be, but we'll see. Alright, so guys, for the next one, another one of those ones that looks really, really easy, but really, really good. Got the white cheddar Cheezits. We just want to dump them out right there in that bowl. Said to get a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. I've got it. We're just going to sprinkle it down in there on top. Now we're just going to mix it around here. Try to get everything nice and coated. Alright, everything looks like it's got a good coat on there. Now we're going to take the Hidden Valley Ranch packet. We're going to dump her down in there. Also, got some dill. We'll put some dill in there with it. And I've got some of the Killer Hogs, just the barbecue rub. We're going to put there. A little coat of it on there. Alright, we're going to mix it together, see what it looks like. Alright, we got everything mixed up nice and even, so we're just going to dump it out here on the pan. Just going to spread out here. Those look good. Alright, I am just going to come back over top with just a little bit more of this Killer Hogs rub. Alright, so got that done. I've got the pit boss. I've got it up to 200 degrees. It says to do it for 200 degrees for 90 minutes. So we're going to stick these in here. Alright, we'll come back here and check them here in 90 minutes, get them out, give them a try. See you then. Alright guys, so it's been 90 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek in here. You can see right here I also put my smoke tube on there. Get a little added smoke. But man, those look pretty good. So with this right here, all I did was I got the cheddar, the white cheddar Cheezits, put them in a bowl, put a half a cup of olive oil in there, a packet of ranch, some barbecue sauce, some dill. Let's dig in. It'll be hot. Let's find one right here covered. There we go. Still crunchy. That is really good. That is okay. Man, that's got a good flavor to it. You're really getting that ranch and that getting that barbecue rub too. Hey, that's a TikTok worthy trim right there, and I definitely approve of that one. That has an awesome taste. It's really different. It's come off the pit boss, so I'm getting a real light, smoky flavored, but it's just right. I think too much smoke on these wouldn't taste good at all. But yeah, surprisingly, smoked Cheez-Its, they're delicious. So that's it for this one. Well, let me wait till in the morning. I'll come back out here. We'll open up our pickles. We'll give him a shot. I'll see you here in a minute. All right, guys, it's the next morning. We've got our pickles. They look like they've been mixed in really good with the ranch packet. Let's give them a try. All right, here we go. I don't know about this one. Some things just don't belong together, and I think that's ranch and dill pickles. Okay, so I can see how some people might like it. Man, you see people on TikTok talking about, oh my God, it's the greatest thing. Well, I ain't gonna do that. It's not the greatest thing ever. Definitely not the greatest thing ever. It's not horrible, but it just don't really go together. So to me, so I'm gonna call that one a no-go for me. So anyhow, try it if you want to. You might be that kind of person that really enjoys that flavor. There's some people that like watermelon and mustard. Some people like it. I hate it. So give it a shot. It's easy to do. But anyhow, hey, thank y'all so much for watching. And guys, I enjoy doing this. Sometimes, if you find a video, you know, send it to me. Tell me about it. I'll go find it. Follow me on TikTok at _Spires. I'll put it in the description. And just tag me in the video, guys. I really look forward to doing these. These are kind of fun to do. So, yeah, let me know what you want me to do. Leave me in the comments and let me know what you think. And I'll see y'all next time. Have a great day.